Welcome. This video presents some of the major developments of AI in medical record keeping in 2025 and projections in 2026 and their impact on medicine. It is compiled by Dr. Sandy Sandbar. The video is developed by Tyler Sandbar and narrated by AI. We'll explore how AI is moving from a tool to a partner in clinical practice. Medical record keeping has always been a double-edged sword. It is essential for continuity of care, compliance, and research. Yet it is burdensome for clinicians. In 2025, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming this landscape by offering new tools that promise efficiency, accuracy, and even legal safeguards. Looking ahead to 2026, the trajectory suggests deeper integration of AI into workflows with profound implications for physician well-being and the practice of medicine. So, what are the newest 2025 developments in AI for medical record keeping? The following are 3 clinical applications. 1. Ambient AI documentation. AI scribes now listen to patient encounters and generate structured notes in real time. Evidence-based studies in 2025 have shown significant reductions in physician documentation time by up to 50%. This frees clinicians to focus on patient interaction. 2. Predictive coding and summarization. AI systems automatically extract key diagnoses, medications, and follow-up plans, which reduces errors and improves clarity in handoffs. 3. Multimodal integration. New AI platforms integrate imaging tests, labs, and genomics into the EHR, with AI generating concise, clinically relevant summaries. What about the 2025 legal and compliance aspects of AI in medical records? 1. Audit-ready documentation. AI tools now flag incomplete or non-compliant entries. This ensures that medical records meet billing, malpractice defense, and regulatory standards. 2. Privacy and security. With HIPAA and GDPR updates in 2025. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation, which is a critical framework for data protection in the UK. AI vendors are embedding federated learning and differential privacy to minimize risks of data breaches. 3. Liability questions. Courts and regulators are beginning to address whether AI-generated notes are the physician's responsibility. The current consensus is that physicians remain the ultimate custodians of the AI-generated medical records. Thus, AI helps with compliance, but the responsibility still rests with the clinician. Next, what are the near-future developments in AI medical records in 2026? First, the technological advances. 1. Seamless interoperability. By 2026, EHRs are expected to achieve near-universal interoperability. This will allow AI to pull data across institutions, pharmacies, and insurers. 2. Real-time decision support. By 2026, AI will not only document but also suggest guideline-based orders, flag drug interactions, and anticipate patient needs during the encounter. 3. Voice-first interfaces. Clinicians may interact with records almost entirely through natural speech, with AI handling coding, order entry, and documentation in the background. 4. Integration with wearables and IoMT, Internet of Medical Things. There will be continuous patient data streams, e.g. glucose monitors and cardiac telemetry, which will be summarized by AI into actionable insights within the EHR. Second, in 2026, there will be changes in the legal and policy landscape. 1. Standardization of AI documentation. Regulatory bodies are expected to issue clearer standards on AI-generated notes, including authorship attribution and medico-legal accountability. 2. Expanded data governance. Anticipated 2026 policies will emphasize patient ownership of data, requiring AI systems to provide transparent audit trails. 3. Malpractice implications. As AI begins suggesting clinical decisions, questions of liability will intensify. For example, was the clinical decision the physician's judgment or the AI's recommendation at fault? Physicians will expect clearer rules on authorship and accountability. AI will have major impacts on medical practice, workflow, and professional well-being. Workflow transformation is very significant. 1. Reduced administrative burden is decreased. Physicians currently spend 34 to 55% of their day on documentation. AI scribes and automation are projected to cut this dramatically, restoring time for direct patient care. 2. Streamlined handoffs and continuity. AI-generated summaries improve communication between teams, reducing errors during transitions of care. 3. Enhanced efficiency in billing and compliance. Automated coding and audit-ready notes reduce denials and legal exposure. Let's look at professional well-being and burnout. 1. Burnout reduction is major. Burnout affects nearly half of physicians. Early 2020-25 studies show AI scribes reduce burnout rates by 22 to 31% in major health systems. 2. Restoring the joy of medicine is very important. This is accomplished by shifting clerical tasks to machines. Clinicians can re-engage with the human aspects of care by listening, empathizing, and teaching. 3. But there are risks of over-reliance. Over-automation may deskill clinicians or create new frustrations if AI outputs are inaccurate or require excessive editing. Training in AI literacy will be essential. Here are the key takeaways. In 2025, AI has already transformed documentation. In 2026, we shall expect interoperability, decision support, and legal clarity. The impact of AI on medical record keeping includes less clerical work, more patient care, and improved physician well-being. But there is an ongoing need for vigilance in ethics, law, and AI training. The discussion prompts regarding the use of AI include: how should physicians be trained in AI literacy? What safeguards are needed for medico-legal accountability? How can AI adoption be balanced with preserving clinical judgment? The future of medical records is not just about efficiency. It's about reclaiming the art of medicine. The years 2025 and 2026 mark a turning point in medical record keeping. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a daily reality, reshaping how clinicians document, communicate, and comply with legal standards. For medical students, residents, fellows, and practicing clinicians, the message is clear. Mastering AI-enabled documentation will be as fundamental as learning the physical exam. The promise is profound. Less time at the keyboard, more time with patients, and a healthier professional life. Yet vigilance is required. Ethical, legal, and humanistic considerations must guide adoption. Thank you for listening.